Hey friend, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are in Baroya waterfall. Its name is Baroya Eco Park. Here is, you can see a waterfall over there. Today we are with our friends. We are here to spend our Eid holiday. You can see here is a waterfall. Its name is the Baroya Eco Park waterfall. Here is some guys. There is come here to hang out, and you can see you know the water is very beautiful, how water is fall through this canal, and this is a very popular tourist spot in our area. Hey friend, you can see the way is so sleepy. There is some guys. Now we back to our home. Here is our another friend. His name is Zakir. He's so clever. uh, we try to fix our step very carefully. The way is so sleepy. If we do another mistake, we can fall into water. And Zakir is always mocking us. Hey Zakir, say to hi. Hi friend, now we are going to our next destination, and that is the Bashbaria Sea Beach. Now we are in Chittagong. Actually, basically we are four person. Me, my three friends, Zakir, Mansoor, and Furqan. We have two bike. In one, me and Mansoor are riding. You can see in this video. And in the first bike, me and Mansoor, and another bike is riding by Zakir, and Furqan is with him. Now we are going to Bashbaria Sea Beach. There's a very beautiful tourist place in Bangladesh. Now we are in Chittagong district. Now we are entering the Chittagong economical industrial area, and then we'll enter the sea beach area, and that's name is the Bashbaria Sea Beach. Hey friends, now we are in Bashbaria Sea Beach. There is a water wave in the sea. You know, you can see there is some guys in the sea. They are swimming and taking bath. Can you see the scenario? How it is beautiful? Look at the sun. Look at the ferry station. Its name is the Bashbaria ferry station. There is a island of Bangladesh. Its name is the Sundip. It is a heritage of Bangladesh and a historical place. Okay, let's go count. Friends, now we are returning our home. Thanks for watching our video.